we're going to be under here. I tested this theory out. Seemed to work. So, got my drill. It's a 14, and we just go under there. Make sure she's on. Turn a little bit and then screw it back on. I want to go back and forth. To break all the rust free. It's kind of hard with one hand. All right, there we go. There's 2 down, and we got this whole side to do. I will let you guys know when I get this side done. All right, got this whole side off. We all came out fairly well. I'm gonna pick all this stuff up. I will go do the other side, and I'm hoping that I can keep this in one video, but I haven't done one this long before, so we'll find that out as we go. Okay, now we're on the right side.
There's not much rust on this car. There's usually sometimes when you do that, there's rust all the way around your car.
I know. Start with this guy. Good.
Working?
Yep.
You're gonna ruin those. They may never go back in.
I know.
I'm sorry, Joe.
That's just the front.